Good morning, Vihan.
Morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to do Math Montessori Lab.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vihan? And the topic is addition on addition strip board.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vihan. This is called addition strip board. Yes, it is labeled on the top of the board. It is labeled with numbers. Here to your left side there are blue strip. To your right side there are red strips. These both strips are labeled with numbers. Here you can see Vihan. These red strips are labeled with lines according to the numbers. It is divided into blocks. Okay, Vihan? With help of these strips, now you are going to do the addition. Okay. Now I will give you the equation of 5 plus 2. 5
5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7.
Very good. 5 plus 2 is
The answer is 7.
good boy. Next. Now Vihan, 3 plus 7. 3
3
plus
plus 7.
Hmm.
3 after 4.
With right hand, right hand.
3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. 3 plus 7 is
The answer is 10.
very good. Vihan, this is a way how to use the addition strip board. This activity helps you to do the addition easily, and it helps you in counting the numbers, and it helps also in identification of the numbers. Okay, thank you, Vihan.